best course about how to make sales.
Totally excited and it works.
So you want to learn affiliate marketing and how you can start earning commissions online? Well, I'm going to be going over exactly how affiliate marketing works in this video, how to get accepted to affiliate networks, which ones you can even get accepted to, how to get paid, and how to get traffic. And I'll also be going over some of the important terms that you're going to want to know, or else you're just going to kind of look dumb if you don't know these massive terms in affiliate marketing vocabulary: network, offer, niche, traffic source, pre-sale page, and what EPC means. So get ready. I've made millions in affiliate marketing, and hopefully this opens your eyes to the fastest growing industry and business on the internet. Let's get it. What's up, Jet Set fam? Johncrestani here. Now, for those of you who don't know me, I've been doing affiliate marketing for almost 10 years now. Clickbank Platinum Partner last year, which and many years before that, which means I make over $1 million a year with that one network. And what I'll be going over in this video is I'll be going over the affiliate marketing vocabulary that you need to know if you want to get into this industry and start earning commissions. And also I'll be going over exactly how you can get paid, how you can get accepted to affiliate networks so that you can start earning money from home, literally by posting links anywhere in the world. And there are hundreds of thousands, if not millions of other people all around the world that are making commissions every single day by putting up links on the internet, and people are buying products through them. I'll show you exactly how. It's really easy, and I'll show you how to get started. But first, let me know here. Who here is a complete newbie and doesn't understand what all of these terms mean? Network, offer, niche, traffic source, pre-sale page, EPC. Let me know in the comments and just type in #newbie, okay? #newbie if you don't know what these things are, because I want to know how many of you are super new to this, because I'm going to explain it to you right here. Don't worry. So what an affiliate network is, first off, is an affiliate network is a website that has many affiliate offers on it. So like Amazon is an affiliate network. Commission Junction is an affiliate network. It's sort of like a big warehouse. It has a ton of products that you can sell and earn commissions on. Now, my number one recommended affiliate network is Clickbank, okay? And I'll go over into which affiliate networks accept people from which countries, but Clickbank will accept people from almost every country in the world except Nigeria or Bangladesh. And I'll go over affiliate networks later that will accept those countries. But this will have lots of products that you can sell to people, whether they're interested in making more money, whether they're interested in getting better health, or whether they're interested in having a better relationship. And that about covers everyone, because if you have more money than you need, if you have a perfect relationship, and if you have a perfect health, I don't know what to sell you. You know, I haven't met anybody like that yet, though. So an offer, an affiliate offer, is a product that you can sell. So basically, it's a product that will offer you commissions for selling that product. So a good example is Amazon. Any product on Amazon, Amazon will pay you 10% commissions for any product you sell on Amazon. All of Amazon's products are also affiliate offers because they all offer commission if you sell them. On Clickbank, because it's a digital product network, the average commission is 50%. A niche is a category of product that you are advertising. So an example of which is shoes. Shoes would be in the apparel niche, okay? I love these shoes. These are my Allbirds. Really comfortable. They're like wool and stuff. But, sorry, enough about my shoes. But that'll be an apparel niche. If you are selling film equipment, you know, where's film equipment? I don't know. I can't put the camera on camera. But that would be in the film equipment niche. If you are selling, you know, computers, that's the electronics niche, right? You know, Phones, electronics niche. So if you're selling supplements to help you lose weight, let's say this was like a weight loss drink, that would be in the health niche. So that's what a niche is. A niche is a category. And when you do affiliate marketing, generally speaking, you're going to focus on a particular niche. Whether you have a blog, or a Instagram or a YouTube channel, you're going to focus on a niche. Now, my channel, what you're watching, is focused on the business opportunity niche, or what's known as biz op, because I'm helping people figure out a way they can start a business without working a job. Okay, so that's what a niche is. I'll just say biz op. Cool. Now, traffic source. Traffic source is how you are getting traffic, okay? And affiliate networks, and these are all kind of questions that you'll be asked when you sign up for an affiliate network. They want to know what niche are you in? They want to know what traffic source are you in, because if you don't know your niche, if you don't know your traffic source, then you're kind of flying blind. You're probably new, you don't know anything, you don't have any idea of what you're going to do. You're probably going to waste the affiliate network's time. Does that make sense? If you don't know your niche or your traffic source, it means you don't make any money. And it means you're most likely going to try out affiliate marketing for a few weeks, get discouraged, and not do anything and waste a bunch of people at this company's time. Does that make sense? Give me an amen if that makes sense. Okay? Amen in the comments or a like. Now, traffic source is how you're getting your traffic. Like right here, I'm on YouTube. I'm swimming through YouTube right now. And on YouTube is a traffic source if you do videos on YouTube or if you do ads on YouTube. So I would just say YouTube. Generally speaking, when you're in affiliate marketing, you want to focus on a particular traffic source, whether you're focused on your Instagram channel or your YouTube channel or your Facebook group or your Google blog. You're going to focus on one of these main categories. Okay? Now, the next is a more advanced terminology, and that is pre-sale page, or what's also known as a landing page. Now, a pre-sale page or landing page is the actual, and affiliate networks will ask you this oftentimes, they'll say, what is your website, or what landing page are you using to promote an offer? And what a pre-sale or landing page is it's the page people see right before they click your affiliate link. So for instance, my pre-sale page would be this video, this page that you are watching the video on. If I wrote this as a blog post, my pre-sale page would be that article on my blog where I'm talking about the best way to do affiliate marketing. That's how it works, okay? Now the best program, if I don't know any programming, and programming actually held me back a lot in affiliate marketing for a long time. I've been doing this since 2009, and I struggled for 4 years. I didn't make anything until about 2011 is when I started earning real money in affiliate marketing. So I struggled every day for years. And I don't know if you have any understanding of what it means to struggle every single day and have no friends, no girlfriends, no life, not even doing stuff with family for years to try to make this work. But it sucks. And one of the big things holding me back was not knowing how to set up a website. What I use to set up websites is a program called ClickFunnels. And I'm a big fan of it. I'm a big affiliate of it. And I highly recommend people use it if you want to set up your website. Okay? And there's a 14-day free trial. I'll have a link below this video. Now, the next term is EPC. EPC stands for earnings per click. And it's a measure of how much money you can make advertising or promoting a particular product. So EPC is more of an advanced term. You'll see EPC listed on affiliate networks and offers to kind of entice people and show people how much money they can make. Generally speaking, a good EPC might be, $4 to $5. Okay. But then again, it completely varies. EPC, I've found, is not the best metric for understanding how well you can promote an offer. I just always look for the most popular offers in each affiliate network. Now, if you've been given some value, fam, let me know in the comments what term was the most interesting to learn about. Or if you knew it all, if you knew all those terms already, just type in know it all. you're a freaking know-it-all, but that's awesome. And it means you've probably been watching my channel for a little bit, so you've been figuring out how affiliate marketing works. Now smash that subscribe button, and I am excited to show you exactly how it is. How do you get the money, okay? You understand a little more about affiliate marketing, but how do you get accepted to those affiliate networks? How do you get paid? Right? How do you get that money, and how do you get traffic going to your links? So getting accepted, I sort of went over it in this training, okay? And that is, for most networks, you need to have either a website or you need to have some sort of social influence. As a marketer, you are a salesperson. You've got to get out there. You've got to get people to know about you. You've got to get people to share your content. You've got to get people to like you. You've got to get people engaged. You've got to build up an audience. If you're not doing that, you're not marketing right, okay? So build up your audience. Get up a website. Easiest thing is either start a website or build up an audience. Now let me know in the comments if you're committed to building up an audience. Let me know what you're committed to doing. If it's YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or a Google blog, let me know in the comments what you are committed to building. Let's get it. Woo! Love this money gun. So let's go further. Okay, getting paid, that's where the money comes in. Now, getting paid is easy. Generally speaking, you'll get paid through a wire or a check, okay? A check sent to your home. All you need is an address to get a check. Most affiliate networks like Clickbank will just send you a check so you can get paid anywhere in the world. Or wire transfer, which I prefer because I don't like cash and checks all the time. So getting paid is easy. There's some affiliate networks, CPA marketing networks, which will actually even pay their affiliates in Bitcoin or PayPal. Now, most affiliate networks will not pay you in PayPal or Bitcoin because, I don't know, they just won't. But some will, but those affiliate networks are very hard to get access to, and unless you're advanced and you have referrals to get into those networks, you won't be getting in. The next step is getting traffic, okay? And I mentioned this, and hopefully some of you committed to growing an Instagram or YouTube, a Facebook, or a Google blog, but getting traffic is all of those sources. So you can do YouTube, you can start an Instagram and put your link in your profile, you can start a blog, or you can start a Facebook group. Those are the main ways to get traffic, people. It's nothing unique. These are all the places people are already using on the internet. You just need to build up a following on there. There are thousands, if not millions, of influencers in the world. You can be one of them, and you can focus on a subject. And again, the best way to get accepted is having a little bit of an audience and also, knowing your niche. Focus on something. Focus on a product category. And you will be a lot more powerful, and you'll also be able to stay your lane because many people have problems focusing on one thing. And if you have problems focusing, I've been there. I'm sorry. There's nothing to do. It's all self-confidence. So ultimately, whatever you need to do to get self-confidence, play sports, get physical, you will be able to focus and be on a niche. Woo! I hope that helps. I hope you get excited about being able to do affiliate marketing and you have an understanding of how it works, the vocabulary, the words, how you get accepted to affiliate networks, how you get paid, and how you get traffic. It's very simple. If you want to learn more about specific ways that you can actually start making money and specific affiliate programs that can help you start making money, subscribe to this channel and you'll see a couple mini courses and a free training course on my channel homepage, which will allow you to start moving forward in this great business model. I love it. I make millions of dollars a year doing this. I don't have any employees, no technical skills, none of that. And you know what? It's treated me very nicely, as well as hundreds of thousands of other people all over the world. So let's get started. Again, nothing works unless you do. So commit to something, start building your site or your traffic source, and let's make some money together.